Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to show you how to fix video recording not working in Realme Narzo 80 Lite. So before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on apps and then click on app management. After clicking on app management, then scroll down and here you can see the option camera. Now click on camera and then here you can force stop your camera. Now click on force stop and then again click on force stop. After force stop your camera, then click on storage usage and now here you can clear your cache memory of your camera. After clear the cache memory, then go back to the main page of your settings and click on system and update. Now on top you can see the option software update and then here you can check your latest version will be updated or not. If it doesn't update to latest version, then update it to latest version. After updating a latest version, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.